BWXT is just very thankful for the grant. That's what made this project possible, and in John Haynes' name.
The reason that we named this program after John Haynes was because he was instrumental in the development of the program. John Haynes was a BWXT employee for around 7 years. John was the leader of our fabrication activities at the plant. He had expressed a strong interest in developing a pathway for local students in Mount Vernon to get into the welding trade. That is why today we take the time to honor him by naming this school after John D. Haynes.
We're doing so much more than welding. We're teaching students a trade that they'll have for the rest of their lives.
BWXT offered some of the best trainers in probably the United States for welding.
We're learning a critical skill that our defense industry needs.
So BWXT and Mr. Chad Dill's done an excellent job with our students in terms of getting them prepared, getting them ready, and something that our students can look back on and be proud of, as well as everyone involved with BWXT, the employees, and especially and most importantly, the Haynes family.
Seeing the faces the first day when those students walked in and they saw the renovations and all the hard work and all the different companies that have been in that area to turn the weld shop into something that is world class. And their reaction and how boastful that they are with being a part of this program, that makes it all worthwhile.
This welding school is proof that BWXT is building the future of nuclear.
We are MV.
We are MV.
We are MV.
Powered. Powered
By BWXT.
by BWXT. We are MV. Powered by BWXT.